Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we are sharing 10 powerful Xhosa names that are suitable for boys who are firstborns. Let's begin. Number 1, Pikolomzi. Pikolomzi, short form Piko. The name means wing of the home. Number 2, Khandilomzi. Khandilomzi, short form Khandi. The name means pillar of the home. Number 3, Luphawu. Luphawu, short form Lu or Phawu. The meaning of the name is sign, mark, or symbol. For example, a mark of love, a symbol of love, or a sign of love. Number 4, Solomzi. Solomzi, short form Sol. The name means eye of the home. Number 5, Khusela. Khusela. The meaning of the name is protect. Number 6, Bongolomzi. Bongolomzi, short form Bongo. The name means pride of the home. Number 7, Sisindise. Sisindise, meaning save us. Number 8, Sikhokele. Sikhokele, short form Sikho, meaning lead us. Number 9, Buntu. Buntu, the name means humanity. Number 10, Mzothando. Mzothando, short form Thando, Mzo or Mzi. The name means home of love.